I want to do my oil change today, but I'm so lazy. I'm literally ready to do it, but I'm lazy. Alright, what's going on, YouTube? Well, I got a couple of stuff today to do on the car. So, I warm up the garage with the fireplace a little bit. Hopefully I could get the car in here. Let's close this door. So we got the oil ready to go. Filter over there. And we got a couple of other goodies. So I got my intake pipe in. I'm hoping we could do that today. I got the trunk clip here today. Carbon fiber knockoff with the M3 tape. I might just do that today. Plus we have some extra oil in here to take care of everything else. So right now we just put some engine flush in the car. So it's pretty much outside running right now. So when I got the car, yeah, I bought it from that place saying it's a better way to buy a car. So drove the car for maybe a week, and they said they did a couple of stuff to the car, which they pretty much lied, because now the car is saying that it needs a quarter oil. So I pretty much wasn't gonna put a quarter oil in there. I'll just do an oil change, because they said they did it, but they didn't do it, because the car, they don't come with a stick where you could check the oil. It's computerized. So yeah, let's go outside and show you. Don't pay attention to the other cars. So if you notice, it's the n55 motor, and it pretty much doesn't come with a dipstick to check the fuel. I didn't have the thing to change this, so I bought this. So hopefully it works. It should work. So right now I'm just letting the car heat up the oil so I could change that real quick. So while I'm doing that, I'll just give you guys a walk around. This car has a lot of imperfections, yeah, as you can see there. And I found this today. See those squiggly lines? That's from one of my kids. Yeah, but everything else, like these little dings, they're pretty much all over the car. Up top there, and up there, and another one there. But yeah, overall, there's a couple on the trunk here. There and there, you can see them. Car is pretty much dirty, but after this oil change, I'll pretty much clean it up. See another one here. So my guess is somebody did an insurance job on the car, because they didn't want it anymore, I guess. So now I got it. This is pretty much the interior. I got my camera back here because I'm going to be taking some pictures. Hopefully the battery is still charged. But yeah, that's it. And there's another scratch. Yeah, courtesy of my kids again. I'm gonna break their necks. But it's material thing, so you know, it is what it is. I don't want it to be scratched up, but at the end of the day, what you gonna do? Alright, so we back in the garage. We can stay nice and warm. So hopefully I could get a couple of stuff done today. What else? That, and that. Alright, y'all, so as you can see, got the filter out, using that over there. New filter, old filter, brush washer, and everything I need. I just got to get all that black oil out of there. Still draining a little bit. I'm wondering if I should start on this intake pipe while I'm up here. Let's see. All right, everyone. So pretty much finished up my oil change. All my gloves and everything all messed up. So let's put these stuff away. Everything looks checked. And yeah, I did put in the aftermarket charge pipe. That's it there. Also, I took the time to put the wing on. That looks pretty sexy. I mean, it's a cheap wing. I was gonna wash the car, but as you can see, it's starting to rain, which is not cool because I just put this on. And hopefully I don't leave it somewhere on the highway. They only gave me one straight pass of the M3 tape, and I didn't feel like buying anymore. So there you go. All right, let's put these stuff over here. Every time I say I'm gonna clean up my garage, I make more mess. But yeah. But that's all she wrote. I'm trying to get these stuff up. I'm not gonna send that oil back. I'm waiting for the next oil change to put it in here. Send it back so I can have another set of oil. Which in reality, I don't have to wait because I got another set of oil right there. All right, let's lock this car up, start it up, and see what's going on. Oh, I gotta dispose of that oil. I think I should put everything back. I lost this one. It fell underneath. Underwear, I don't know at the point, but I was looking for it. I didn't see it, but that's not a big deal because I'm gonna go off the market air intake. I got the windows open. Let's throw that over there for now. Okay. Keys. Alright, so let's see what the story is for the oil. So now it's just checking the level of the oil. I don't know if I should do this with the car running or with the car off. Let me know in the comments section. I haven't checked to see if the I don't know if I have a boost leak with that charge pipe or not. But it seems to sit properly there. Oh, this is taking kind of long. I gotta get some fuel. I don't know, maybe because I emptied out the oil. It should have a basic reading going on in there. Well, let's wait for this to come up. Then I'm gonna do it without the car being on and see if that make a big difference. I don't know if you can see that raindrops coming down now. I mean, should it take this long to? Get it. It's at half. Why would it be at half? Alright, let's turn the car off.